Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 14 Pro Max is up to date and that your carrier supports 5G. This avoids wasted steps later. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and cellular are enabled and that you know your Apple ID password. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, then tap Cellular Data Options. You're already inside the right menu. You're taking action now to access 5G controls rather than hunting settings, which speeds up the whole change process. You'll now decide how your phone uses 5G and why each choice matters. Tap Voice and Data to reveal 5G on, 5G Auto, and LTE. 5G on forces maximum use for short bursts of fast data, while 5G Auto balances battery life by switching when needed. Choose LTE if you want consistent battery savings over peak speed. Next, tap Data Mode to select standard or low data. This controls background use and affects real-world speed and battery trade-offs, so pick based on your priorities. Finish by restarting your iPhone so it reattaches to the network with the new 5G preferences. This often resolves lingering issues. If 5G still won't connect, reset network settings, which clears saved Wi-Fi and VPNs, but commonly restores proper cellular behavior, so back up anything necessary first. If that fails, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning or request a new SIM or eSIM activation. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.